Guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to filter comments in TikTok, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok. Now tap on me option. Now tap on three dots on the above right corner. Now tap on privacy option. Now tap on comments. Now tap on filter spam and offensive comments. Now this is disabled, so enable it. And now tap on filter keywords. It means use your keywords you don't want to show in your comments. So let's suppose I am typing shit, bullshit, trash, etc. You can use more than this. You can use a lot of keywords in your filter keywords option. So this is the simple method. You can filter your comments to hide abusive comments from your other comments. So I hope you will like this video, so please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, goodbye.